What's up guys, in the video we'll be comparing GlossGenius and Square appointments to determine which booking system is better for you. So let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages of each platform. GlossGenius is tailored for beauty and wellness businesses, offering specialized features for appointments like haircuts and massages. This is a seamless booking experience. It integrates well with popular tools in the industry, creating an efficient management ecosystem. GlossGenius also provides comprehensive client profiles, allowing you to store clients' history and preferences, enhancing personalization and loyalty. Its automation features like appointment reminders help reduce no-show, letting you focus on client service, and additionally, detailed reporting offers valuable insight for business optimization. However, GlossGenius has a steeper learning curve and complex pricing structure based on monthly bookings. Its features may be less relevant for non-beauty sectors. Square Appointments, on the other hand, offers a simple interface making it easy to navigate. Its flat rate subscription model helps with budgeting. While it integrates with other Square tools, it may lack advanced functionalities of GlossGenius, especially for businesses needing detailed client management. Ultimately, if you seek industry-specific features and robust reporting, go with GlossGenius. If you prefer a user-friendly system with straightforward pricing, Square Appointments may be your best option. Consider testing both platforms to see which one works best. And that's it, guys.